Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's now time to prepare for the Tesla earnings and, of course, Enphase Energy earnings as well. Double earnings tonight. If you want Tesla, you are in the right place. It'll be on our main YouTube channel here. If you want Enphase, it'll be at the end of this show on the extra channel. So you've got a big night lined up ahead of you. Some of you, I know, Lucas Aids will be watching both to see how the stock moves and all the rest of it. But that's the hardcore investors. They'll be doing both. But for the mere mortals of us, we are just tuning in for one. I'm doing both, of course, because I kind of have to. Otherwise, none of this works, right? Okay, now then, let me update you with all the events throughout the day. Welcome, everybody, on TikTok. If you want to join the main channel, the main show, click the profile link up here and come into YouTube. That's where the main event is. All right, let's go get ready. We've got an hour or so to go before we close the closing bell, ring the bell, and then we'll be going straight into the earnings for Tesla and Enphase Energy. Okay. Now then, let me just line this up a little bit better. There we go. Just a little tweak there. That's better. Right. Let's have a look through our positions. You can see all-time highs again today. I'm green again, beating the market again, 107,541. Started with $5,000. I've now got 107,557. No shorting of the stock, no options, just buying, holding, investing, buying the dips, using margin when appropriate. Very straightforward strategy. It requires structure, discipline, and patience more than anything else. Patience is very, very important, all right? People get bored of their positions, which is good. You should get bored, but if you like boring investing, then you get excited. So that's how it works. You have to get bored to get excited. If you're always running around trying to find exciting stocks, you'll always lose your money. 9 times out of 10, even when you win one now and again, you'll forget the times when you lose. And ultimately, you want to be up, never lose money. And rule number 2 is remember rule number 1. Very, very important. Warren Buffett says that, and it's a policy I've lived by now since the beginning of the year, and it works extremely well. Okay. All right. Welcome to everybody on the extra channel. Welcome to you. That's where we're going to have the Enphase Energy earnings tonight. Right after this, Tesla will be here on the main channel. That's where Sensei is going to be joining us later. So a lot to do this evening. Now then, in the last few hours, we've been extremely busy preparing you on the channel. Here are some videos and events you may have missed. So let me bring it to everyone's attention. If you've missed any of these, I'm going to bring you up to date because we're moving very, very fast. A lot of stuff going on at once. So let me update you now with what you may have missed. Here, first of all, on the main channel. Right, as you can see, we're preparing for the Tesla earnings right now. That's what we'll be talking about in a moment. A lot of volatility to prepare for. Elon Musk on the call again. And he's always said when the stock's doing its thing solid, he won't be there, but he will be there tonight. Tesla preparing. Right, I've just put out the here it is, the Tesla event. Goes just after the closing bell. Sensei will be doing it for us. Okay, and we're closing bell in the opening bell in the morning. I've just put out some new videos for you. So AGNC. We've just done an analysis on this one if you want to go and check it out. There it is. It's a new analysis. It was requested by, I think, Salty Biscuit, I think it was. Salty Biscuit wanted that review. It's just been done for you. So there it is, AGNC. We had a scalp trade this morning, 600%. A lot of people made a heck of a lot of money this morning. $100 became $600. Ed Nevius gave us this scalp trade this morning, a very, very busy morning for Ed Nevius. Somebody wants to join me. How do I do that then? I'll accept that invitation. There you go. How you doing? Somebody wanted to join me, so I just said, hello, how are you? Somebody wanted to join me around the world. It's very, very nice. Always happy to help support fellow TikTokers. There you go. Right. So what we've got here is 600% growth today on this stock as ITRA. So there you go. As ITRA, if you want to take a look at that, our scalp trades, we gave you it when it was about 200% up. So you could have made 400% today on that one. Coca-Cola earnings, we've just put that out. You need to go and see that, learn about the economy. Ranked number one, we ranked number one in the world again above CNBC for Texas Pacific Land. Enphase, of course, that's the promo for tonight. That's all what's been going on today on the main channel. Plus, we've got all these shorts you may not have seen. If you click the playlist at the top, shorts, you can catch up on these. It's a new service where I'm providing 30-second clips of videos to give you more information in just 30 seconds. There's Tesla. There's AGNC, Next Era Energy in the morning. Next Era Energy in the morning. We've got Enphase for you, Tesla, all of that, Coca-Cola, IBRX, CrowdStrike warning. If you are trading it, be careful. So we've got this new service now where you can find out the shorts. That's on the shorts tab on the channel. Now then, well, we're about to talk about Tesla. Let's go and have a look at Tesla. While I'm doing this, as you can see, it's very volatile. It's sold off again today. Those that say you should always own it, don't ever do that. They dump it every 5 minutes. It's the way Tesla goes. So let's see. We'll do a poll here in the chat. So let's have a poll. So Tesla, miss or beat? There you go. Miss or beat? Miss, beat, or undecided. You've got no idea. There you go. There's a poll running there right now. So what we're going to do before we talk about Tesla, I've got to prepare for NEE. What time is this? Next Era Energy. July 24th, pre-market. What time will this be? Second quarter energy earnings. What time are they doing this? I love when they just don't tell you, make it hard. Right, there we go. 9 a.m. Eastern, that's 8 a.m. Central. So tomorrow's show will be straight into, so 8 o'clock, so 7:30 tomorrow then, 7:30. So let me set that up for you now. Let me come back to Tesla, 7:30 in the morning. Okay, here we go. So tomorrow morning, let me have a look at my events. We've got that now, and we've got, I need to put one in for the morning, so let's do that now. Create an event. Let's just do it this way. We'll just do one of these. Just bear with me. I've got to do this now. Duplicate. This is for the morning. So let me just search for NEE. Bear with me. Next Era Energy earnings live. There we go. That will do perfectly. Okay, here we go. We're just going to set this one up so you have this first thing in the morning. Next Era Energy. Let's take that out of there. And put Next Era Energy in there. Okay, this is for the morning. We've got the Tesla earnings. We've got an hour and a half or so to go yet. Senzo will be taking over the show. Let's replace the image. NEE. Next Era Energy earnings live. There we go. Excellent stuff. July 24th. And I said 7:30, didn't I? Yeah. 7:30 in the morning. So it'd be normal time, normal show time, but the extra show, the opening bell will follow it. So that's 7:30 in the morning, nice and early. Okay, let's create that event. Okay, Tesla's starting to come up a bit now. It's sold off, 248. I think we'll get a sell. I don't think that the earnings is going to meet expectations of this price. So I wouldn't be buying it right now. I'd be waiting for a flash crash to buy in. Under $200, I think, would be the way to go. Okay, so there is Next Era Energy. Now I need to go to here a minute. Just putting this next one in. NEE. Okay, live for the morning. Next Era Energy, there it is. Okay, you can now see it. You should be able to see this now. Extra channel. There's the event. This will be a live show. It will be an earnings report, and it will be NEE. These are the playlists it goes into. Done. Stream contains no AI. Never use it. There we go. Earnings. Live chat. Yeah, for the subscribers only. Yeah. Okay. That's all good. Excellent. Right, a couple of buttons left to press. Whoops-a-daisy, wrong one. So Sensei will be taking over shortly from me for the earnings. I'll be going over to the extra channel, and I'll be doing Enphase Energy's earnings. That's how we're going to roll. So you can decide in a minute whether you are watching both or which one you want to do. We've got some of the Lucasades watching both. They don't want to ever miss a show, which is very nice. Okay. Just a couple more buttons to press, and I'll be back to you looking at Tesla. I want to hear what everyone does. Fernellis, no money. I started with no money. I started with $5,000, and I'm now at $104,000. So it's very easy to make money in this world. The hard part is to keep it. It really is that easy. The biggest part is you. Discipline, structure, patience, and being excited about making a dollar. A lot of people don't care about that. They go, I'm not interested in that. I want to get rich straight away. And they get in the way of themselves. I've always said that. But there you go. The truth isn't always popular, but it is the truth nevertheless. Right. Discipline. I'm live 12 hours a day. I never give up, never go away. Always study the earnings. It's very important. A lot of people go, that's boring. I don't want to look at the earnings. Some people say they don't read balance sheets. Well, that's what it's all about. Right. I think now I can finish off what I was doing. Next Era Energy, that's for the morning. I just put a short out link into it, so I had to do this straight away. Shorts. Tesla ANG, there it is. That's the one I wanted. Main event. There it is. And the related video. Great. Now we are cooking on gas. Put that in shorts as well. Right. Okay. We are now ready. Brilliant. That's tomorrow morning's show. So if I now refresh the screen, you will see, if I refresh tomorrow morning, this will be before the opening bell, and then we'll come back with the opening bell. So there you go. Tesla earnings with Sensei in a minute, Next Era Energy, and then I will be back with the opening bell straight after the Next Era Energy earnings. Okay, now then, let's look at Tesla. Sensei will be taking over shortly from me, right on the bell. Let's read your comments. If you're over there on TikTok, if you want to join me on YouTube, click the profile up here, come out of the main show on TikTok and you come and join us. We've got some really exciting giveaways coming up soon. We're very excited about that. If you want to be part of the show, if you become a subscriber, you click the little star. That's like being a member on YouTube. I will do reviews for you, all kinds of stuff. You can request reviews and all the rest of it. If you want to meet the family, I'd love to introduce you. We are now in 14 languages in 62 countries right now on YouTube. So if you want to come and say hello to 62 countries around the world, we have members in all those countries. Click on the profile, find the YouTube link and pop in and say, I'm from TikTok. I want to know what it's all about. As I said before, I've gone from 5,000 to 107,000. You'll see it on the screen here in about 30 seconds from now. This is my actual balance. I've got no money in the bank. It's all invested. 107,000 will appear right there in about 30 seconds from now. So you can see that's my real money, my real shares, and my real positions. Okay, Crag, good evening, everyone. Hi, Malk. Hey up, Banana Heads. Vaz, how are you? Martin, did you see the news that BlackRock had shorted millions of shares of DJT the day before Thaley took the shot at Trump? The plot thickens. Oh, dear. I can't even imagine, can you? I mean, it just makes people think, oh, hang on a minute, I knew JFK was dodgy. There you go, the JFK assassination. It fuels it all, doesn't it? Are people buying or selling Tesla? Okay, well, we've got 41% miss, only 36% beat, undecided 23. So it's a very undecided, really. Not many people believe we're going to beat. Not many people think we're going to miss. There's a lot of you undecided. So thank you for voting on the poll. Much, much appreciated. Keep voting on the poll. How many people have voted now? We've had 23 votes, 24 votes. Keep on voting. What's your opinion on Tesla? Tesla is a great company. It's a great company, but it's behaving like a meme stock. Sadly, it's a scalp trader's dream. I own it, of course, through the S&P. If you want to know what I really think about Tesla with all the details, this is what I suggest you do. Here is my channel where you are right now. If you scroll to the top and you type Martyn Lucas Investor in the search bar on YouTube, all right, and then go TSLA, obviously the stock, if you want to. TSLA will do it. You can see what I have to say about Tesla. There is the video right now. There is Tesla live earnings. That's coming up today. Tesla collapse. I talked about it there. That was bloody hell, that was a year ago, that one. This one here, Tesla chart. We've got a Tesla chart done by Sensei for you. Very, very useful. What else have we got? Let me scroll down. There you go. Tesla, very important video. Very important video. Tesla, not for you. The robo-taxi will not be coming to you. It'll be coming to industries like Amazon and people like that, Apple. You won't get a robo-taxi straight away. People go, oh, I'm going to get a robo-taxi. My car's going to make me 100 grand a year. I'm going to buy the stock. That's not what's going to happen. That's not what Elon Musk said, but people don't listen. So I provided that information. There are the facts about the Tesla robotaxi. All these here you can go and check out. So if you want the full details on everything I had to say about Tesla, just done a full analysis on it as well. A full analysis with all the buy zones, the sell zones, who's buying on the inside. All of that, you just search at the top for Martyn Lucas Investor, Tesla stock, and you can see, there it is, and you will find all of those videos, all right? Okay, that'll answer your question. No money, Fernellis. As I say, I started with no money. I worked for the first year and a half on YouTube for free. I've been doing it for 3 years, so all my only income is YouTube. And look, I've now got 107,000. The first year and a half, I invested in myself. I earned no money. So just remember that. Anyone can do what I'm doing. There's nothing special about it. It's just work, hard work, dedication. If you like work, I love work. If you love dedication, I love dedication. It's easy to make money. And I mean that. I really do. There's so much opportunity today in the world. It's ridiculous. What's your opinion on Tesla earnings? A miss. A miss. It's the price is too high. The price for Tesla is too high. It's as simple as that. We are a year away from a price of this level, but people buy the future price, which is fine, which is why they trade it. Yes, Tesla down. It drops more for me. You came from a TikTok, Akil Taj, but you ain't answering my questions. I am answering your questions, Akil Taj, but I can't answer all your questions. This isn't the Akil show. I do my very best. I answer more live questions than anyone else on any other channel. Everyone knows that. But I have to focus on my members, and I've just answered every one of your questions as well. It just takes me a second to get through it. I am also running all these screens. I've got 14 screens, 6 different platforms, all of this going on while I'm trading and investing with my real money and while talking to you. But I have to focus on the members, all right? Just so you know. Did you come from TikTok today? Is this your first time here from TikTok? That's incredible. We'd love to give you a great welcome. If you're from TikTok, we have a special welcome for all our TikTok viewers. Did you come from TikTok today? Because if you did, we've got a special welcome for you. We have all sorts of stuff. Here he is. Here's the man himself. We got Sensei Crypto, newly married, back from his honeymoon. He'll be taking over my channel tonight in a few minutes. I'm going to end at the closing bell, ring the bell, end the show. You'll have a choice then to stay here on this channel with Sensei Crypto in his presentation of Tesla. He knows more about Tesla than I do, and he's going to give you the charts. However, my speciality is Enphase Energy. I'm going to give you all the information on the extra channel, and you can watch both at the same time, or you can pick which one you want to watch. All right, back to Tesla just for a moment. Hello world, good evening, good evening, good evening. Hi Craig, you did, thank you, you're very welcome. Good luck all, we'll see you in just over an hour. Absolutely fantastic. Sensei, great. Yes, from TikTok. So we've got a brand new guest here. Akil has just tuned in from TikTok. Let me share with everybody, just so you can see. This is our TikTok feed, and we've just started doing it. So if I go over here, you will see TikTok. Let me just do this now. Bloody hell, I can't bloody remember now. Where was it? In here, in it? Is it in here, in it? Right, let's have a look. So let's have a look. Let me go into TikTok, and you can see what people are seeing right now in TikTok. So if I go down and go to, I can't remember now, who I'm following. Yes, I'm following myself. There we go. So you click on there. There you go. That's what TikTok is seeing right now. They're watching the side view. So where are you from? What country are you from? Akil. We go out in 14 different languages in 62 countries. So would everybody please welcome Akil from TikTok? It's a nice little thing when people come in. It's always nice to see. Akil, welcome. All right, let's do a nice little welcome to you. There we go. We're live 12 hours a day, and every Friday, as the World Piano Man, I will perform live songs on my music channel. All right. So there we go. Great to have you here. Right. Good, Fernellis. Good. I'm not sure I know what you mean with the word good, but it sounds good, so I like it. Have you ever tried doing the music show on TikTok, Martin? Yeah, it's a waste of time. It's all copyright. It's just a waste of time. Hey, you know what? You know what? Maybe I'll do it this week. I'm doing it now. The reason why I haven't been on TikTok for a while is we changed the studio around and it just never got round to it. There's no real bad reason. Cheers, dear. It just didn't happen for a while. Right, got one of my mugs. If you all got a lucky mug from the shop, 20% discount. 20% discount ends tomorrow. No, it doesn't. 3 more days. 3 more days in the shop. You get 20% discount, and for $5, I will customize it, put your name on it. Do a $5 super chat. Tell me what your message is. I'll put it on the mug, and you get 20% off as well. No increase of price. Best deal we've ever done. Best deal ever. All right. Okay, England, wonderful stuff. Akil, I'm from Cornwall in England. My studio is here in Dallas, Texas. That's where I'm talking to you from now. Martyn, TikTok viewers get your better side. I don't know about that. Do they? I don't know. They get the side of my face. Welcome to a fellow Brit. There you go. Lovely welcomes in. Thank you ever so much, everyone. It's the Akil show. Malk UK picked up on that. That's funny. Afternoon all. Thank you for covering the Tesla earnings today, Martyn. Mark Saxby. Sensei is covering it. I'm doing the Enphase Energy earnings. All right. So very, very exciting. Let's go for our position. So first of all, this is the rundown. As you can see, I've hit all-time records again today. Look at this now, $107,000, 618. I started with 5,000. I'm now at 107, 618. Don't tell me. Someone said to me today that the S&P VU hasn't moved for 2 weeks. Boy, do you not understand the market. For the last 2 weeks, we had a rotation. Tech was rotated. I went and bought another $10,000. In fact, maybe $20,000 of the S&P when it went down. It rotated straight back up again. What do you mean it didn't move? You got to remember, the overall market doesn't move a lot. No, it's not a scalp stock. It's not a crazy binky bonk crypto coin. It moves steadily. But if you buy the dips on the macro days when there's no reason for a macro sell-off, you can double the rate of growth throughout a year. The only reason you say at the end of the year the S&P didn't move very much, if you don't think 10%, 20% is very much, we're still expecting a 30% by the end of the year. On top of the 15%, that's a 45% in 1 year, which is one of the record years. Phenomenal, plus the dividend, of course. So, but you can increase on that if you buy on the dip days, which I always do. So don't tell me you can't make money on the S&P when I'm standing here looking at $107,000 and I've never shorted a stock. I don't trade. I just hold, and I've never bought, I don't do binky bonk or anything else. So you certainly can make money. You just got to have the discipline to do it. Good afternoon all. Hey. He'll miss forecast. You can tell by desperation plowing money into Trump because he's worried it'll get worse. That's a very interesting point. Secondhand Tesla have collapsed in value too. Hello, Joshua James. A very, very good point. I like that. Welcome, Akil, from another Brit living in Florida. Mark Saxby. Love it. Crikey. I thought it was spoken McCrow, TSK, all these years. McCrow, I have no idea what that means. Thanks all. Akil, you're welcome. We're live every day, 12 hours a day. All right. Consider becoming a member of our channel and you get many, many perks. We're here to help you promote your favorite stocks. Remember, I only own the S&P, so I don't do any self-promotion. It's not for me. I only own the S&P. There's my X account where I post all my trades before I make them, all the dips of the S&P. And there's the all links button if you want alpha spread and all the discounts and everything else. Okay, Tesla's now coming up. We've got half an hour to go before the bell goes. We'll be getting the earnings. Now then, you have a choice this evening. What a choice it is. Two of the best moving stocks and the best balance sheets on the market. I don't know what you're going to choose. Many of the Lucasades, the hardcore Lucasades who watch every day are watching both. And I love you for it. Thank you very much indeed. Don't quite know how you listen to both, but there you go. It's dedication, I guess. So these are your choices. In a minute, we're going to ring the bell. This show will go automatically to the extra channel, right? Extra channel, because Sensei will be a few minutes before he gets ready, okay? You need time to go from one channel to the next. So let me redirect this channel right now. This will go directly to the extra channel where everybody will be, all the Enphase people, all the Tesla people, everybody will be on our extra behind the scenes channel. So let me give you this now, okay? And then I'll give you your choices. Okay. So here we go. Extra before Tesla and end phase. So this is where you got to go. Right. There it is. Let me put that there. Right. That's the extra channel. That will take you there. Replace the pin message. I'll also give that to my rumblers as well, because they're going to want to see this as well. Okay. So at the end of this show, you'll all go automatically, or you can use the button yourself to go to the extra channel. There we are, behind the scenes with the extra channel, okay? Now then, Sensei will be preparing Tesla a few minutes later. I will put the link to Tesla in the chat, and I will also put the link to Enphase. So you have a choice. This is what you can do. You can watch the Tesla earnings. This is with Sensei. Tesla is with Sensei. You can watch this. He's also going to provide the charts as well. I'm really glad that he's doing Tesla, because the charts are everything with this stock, obviously. So let me give you Tesla. Let me give you Tesla. Okay. Here is, let me do that a different way. Okay. Here is Tesla. If you want to go to Tesla, you can on the main channel. You might decide, however, that you want to watch both. That's fine. But you might say, I would rather watch Enphase. If you want to watch Enphase, that will be with me, which is obviously far better anyway. Let's be honest. Sensei's boring. Let's be honest. I'm more entertaining, right? All right. So you can watch me or Sensei. I don't care. Here is at the Enphase earnings. You can watch both. I know there's a few of you. James 007 says, I'm watching both, Martin. Don't worry about that. I'm with you, mate. So there you go. There is Enphase. Do what you like. Okay? All right. Let's come back to here. Let's have a look at Tesla. We'll also look at Enphase right now. Okay? There's the Tesla movement at the moment. If we go to the Enphase movement, very different story. It's trending up because this is under value, 104. Tesla is over value. But both are not going to do well on this quarter, I don't believe. Even if they, match, or I don't care. It's about the next quarter with rates coming down. But it's getting very exciting though. Sensei thinks it's funny. I'm glad he thinks it's funny. I love it. I love when I say Sensei's boring. He laughs. It's great. Yeah, this is how Ricky Gervais gets away with it. The more you run people down, the more they love it. It's great comedy. It's a great comedy show. I recommend it. Just insult everybody. They'll find it hilarious. It's the way to go. You can live out your dreams. You don't like someone? Tell them they're rubbish. They'll think it's funny. I'm only joking. I always have to remind people that I'm only joking, just in case they don't know. Let's be honest. You don't know who's listening, do you? You don't know who's listening. We got people on TikTok. Right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to have some fun now. Going to have some fun, okay? We have got coming up, and in fact, I'm not going to tell you about it yet, because it's something really exciting coming up in a few weeks. So what I want to do now is on TikTok, if anybody wants to join me, in fact, you YouTubers, you stay where you are. Everybody on TikTok, tap the screen like that with 2 fingers, really, really quickly. If we can get 10,000 likes, TikTok will share it out to more people, and then we can get a bigger audience to watch the Tesla earnings. You want to do that because we want to get... we want to give you all the charts. Sensei is going to give you all the buy zones and sell zones. So we've got 212 likes. Everybody tap the screen with 2 fingers like that. And we can get to 10,000. There are. Someone's doing it. Who's doing it? Les3901. Hello, Doug. Les is the best. Les is the best. No doubt about it. Les is going, sod it. I'll do it. I don't care. I don't care if no one else is doing it. I like this show. I want to help this guy out. So Les is doing it. Everybody else, miserable. Oh, hello, Fight Channel. Fight Channel's here. I recognise that name. The Fight Channel is on TikTok. I knew he wouldn't let me down. I'll tell you what, Fight Channel, you are doing right at the top. for the fan of the year, the best trophy of 2024. So keep it up. I've noticed that you like everything on X, you share everything everywhere and stuff, and now you're doing this. All right, so let me bring it up on the screen. There you go. You can see all the likes. If I tap the like as well, this is what happens. See, that's what happens. And the little star, if you become a subscriber of the star as well, you can get reviews. That's like being a member on YouTube, all right? John Mayer just joined. I love it. I love it. All right, okay. There we go. 903 likes now. That's more like 918. That's more like it. Now we're cooking on gas now. Right, back to Tesla. Let's have a look. Sensei, I've sent all the information for the show tonight in Discord, so you've got all that. I can't use my phone because my phone's being used for TikTok. So if you want to correspond to me whenever you need to through Discord. That's where I'll see it. Okay, the phone is out of action right now. Okay. We've got 20 minutes to go. We'll be getting the news on the bell. I will be ending to give Sensei the chance to jump in. Good evening, Crag. Good evening, James. How are you doing? Insulting your friends is intimate. I tell you what, whoever wrote that law, I like it. It's brilliant. It's brilliant. I don't know where any... There we go. 1,200 likes now. We're smashing it. We're smashing it. I love it. Now, be very careful on TikTok. There are hundreds of people pretending to be me. They're not me. They're scamming you. They're copying my videos. They're sticking them on their own channel. They're asking you to be their friend. I'm the only person called Martyn Lucas, spelled correctly on TikTok. Everybody else spells my name with 2 S's, 3 S's, 5 S's, 10 S's. I don't know. And I never send anyone a message. No, I never invite anyone to do anything. I never sell you anything. And they don't go live at all. I'm always live. So be very, very careful. They're all scammers. Every bloody one of them. I complain to TikTok, and TikTok do absolutely nothing. Disgusting it is. All they care about is my content gets reused by other people to make them more money. Disgusting, isn't it? Anyway, let's have a look. Sensei thinks it's funny. Been to the dentist today for a filling. The filling is too big. I have to go back again tomorrow to get it filled down. It's like having an elephant's tusk in your mouth. Bloody hell, James 007. That don't sound good. Sorry, Martin, but I'll be hanging with Sensei tonight for Tesla. Well, that's bloody nice. I thought me and you were friends. Mark Saxby has said, sorry, Martin, but I'm going to watch Tesla with Sensei. Well, that's nice. That's nice. That's all I can say. That's lovely. You know, you build up a relationship over 3 years, and the moment Tesla pops up, I'm watching it with Sensei. I'm not interested in your stupid end phase. I'm not your friend anymore. It's nice, isn't it? I remember that. You wait till you come back tomorrow. And you spent the evening with Sensei. There's going to be hell up. I tell you what, there's going to be hell up. There is. All right. Now, many of you have not liked the button, like the show yet. Very lazy. Please subscribe and consider subscribing, but do like. Right? Tap the like button. Lazy people. You're not sharing it out on YouTube tonight. This is no good. Sick of it. Come on, sort it out. Insulting your friends is intimate. Hit the like button, James. That's right. Good evening, James, mate. Craig, not a fan of the dentist myself. Got to be honest. It's the first had been in about 4 years. Not a fan of the dentist. Sure, it get to filling where the other month is the first had been in 4 years. Bloody hell. Cheers, Martin. Cheers, mate. Okay, over 2,000 likes on TikTok. Thank you, Fight Channel. We appreciate it very, very much indeed. Fight Channel, I appreciate it. Akil sent me a rose. I'm loving it. Let me put that on the screen. I've just got a rose from Akil. Can you see it here? Can you do it again? Because I want to show everybody. Do it again. There you go. Akil sent me a rose. And another one. And another one. That's 5 roses now. Thank you very much. From England. England is winning tonight when it comes to sending roses. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Akil has just won top gifter. Look, Akil is now top gifter. He got a top gifter badge. I'm loving it. I'm loving that. I'm loving that. Thank you very much, mate. Right, we got 19 minutes to go, and Akil has just become top gifter on TikTok. Well, that's very, very nice. Thanks for the flowers, mate. If you want a special service, click the subscribe. Click the subscribe with the little star, and I'll do reviews for you, just like being a member on YouTube. It's the same deal. It's the same deal. It's the same deal. Okay. Okay. Let me come back to here. I'm loving it. 19 minutes to go. We're just turning red slightly, but no big deal. I love how Akil is in and out of both channels. Very, very clever. Very clever. Do you want a different look? If you like the side look, the front look, there's the back look. Best studio on YouTube. There's no studio as good as that on YouTube. Look at that. All the cameras are moving. You've never seen a studio like it, have you? And on Friday night on the music channel, there's the music link. Join me for a live concert. And if you become a subscriber or a member on YouTube or subscriber on TikTok, I'll do a free song for you. Oh, yes. Anyway. That's all England are going to win, unfortunately. All England are going to win. England wins the prize for giving out the most roses on TikTok. Hey, come on. We nearly won the Euro. I mean, we've been in the Euro twice now. I don't know many teams would make the final two tournaments in a row. I know we didn't win, but bloody hell, come on. It's not bad, is it? Sell off on the closing bell. Let's see. I don't see much of a sell-off. We had a good beat from Tesla this morning, but Enphase and Tesla is coming up. Coca-Cola, I meant, sorry. I hope that's what I said. Right, just under 15 minutes to go. I'm excited. Are you all excited? Oh my God, why doesn't YouTube have a top Super Chatter award? Oh, I knew that was coming. From MSK, you'd have won it like 10 times over. Would be the number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and probably 5. Also from England. I'm loving it. Loving it. All right, then. All right, MSK. Let's see how bloody well you can do then. All right. Let's see how bloody well you can do on TikTok. Akil is killing it. Akil's going, I'm the number 1. I can be number 1. Dead easy. I know MSK, you like a bit of TikTok. Here's a bit of TikTok for you. Let me give you the link for TikTok. Pop in and see what you can do over there. See if you can knock Akil off his perch. All right, here we go. He's number 1. He's given me a handful of roses. All right, let's see how you can do. Right, there's my TikTok. I'll give it you 3 times just so it pops out. I'll give it to my Rumblers as well in case Rumble want to. We want to join in. We want to join in. All right? And when it starts moving, when I start seeing something come in, oh, Fight Channel's come back. He wants to knock Akil off the top spot. Akil's top spot right now. Right, Tesla selling off. Enphase, let's go back to it. Enphase selling off. 15 minutes to go. Right, the overall portfolio is down slightly. Do I care? No. Virgin Galactic, dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. What's it worth now? But 25 cents a share? Old money? Worst management. This company here get the badge for the worst management in the world. Absolutely right. Palantir up. Gold up. The S&P just trimming off. Amazon up today. Very nice. Apple also up. NextEra Energy in the morning. We're going to cover the earnings in the morning. Enphase, we're covering the earnings tonight. Sensei, we'll be covering Tesla. Coca-Cola is up. J&J is down very slightly today, but get ready for the 1%. Get ready for those dividends. Chevron oil selling off. Stephen Lewandowski, tell me all about it. Tesla going down. Rivian up. McDonald's going down today. Great discount for McDonald's. You can never overpay for land. Remember, TPL have 95% more land than Tesla do, than McDonald's do. Remember that. Google up. Google are reporting tonight as well. Google are reporting tonight. That's why there's a sell-off. Google are reporting as well tonight. Very, very exciting. Let's have a look. Available after hours. There's Google. Expect a beat tonight. There's the Google earnings. Microsoft, they are also, no, they're not. That's July 30th. July 30th. Scrub that. Nvidia going down. Walmart up today. Defensives, Tilray Brands, Robinhood going down. So brokerage always goes down when people sell out the market. IonQ, I always buy when it goes down, but it's not gone down enough. Let's have a look. Did MSK come over to TikTok? No. Whoa, we got 3,300 likes now on TikTok. Oh yes, check it out. Can you see at the top? 3,300. Can you see that? Right at the top. There you go, 3,300. Check that out. Oh, yes. Rocket Lab is up. Plug Power is down. Rumble is down today, 1.15. Funware, 4.5. Asti Solar, down 3% today. FFIE, no value here at all now. It's just going down all the time. It's going to go to zero. It's got no value. They're not producing anything. And the cult following just won't listen. They just keep praying to the god of Omar to save them, and all the gambling and all the craziness of it all. But anyway, no one pays attention to the numbers. They've even told me that. We don't even look, we don't care about the numbers. We just follow Omar. Carry on then. Right, there you go. There is the overall position. Let's go back to, oh, Mike's there. Mike Flynn. Akil. Mike Flynn. That's not you, is it? I always get confused. Mike 166A. You're not Mike Flynn, are you? Why do I always get that confused? Are you? MSK, are you? MSK. Let's have a look. I think Mike is deleting messages accidentally. Oh, MSK Sue. Oh, that's somebody else. Who's that? Oh, hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. MSK Sue, you're in the wrong channel. You're in the wrong channel. This is why it's confusing people. MSK, just realized you're in with your wrong channel. Yes, that is you. Why do I always forget that? Sorry, Mike. Can you just pop in again? Because I want to make you a moderator. Or maybe you already are. I don't know. Can you pop in again? Pop in again. See if I can see you. If you pop in again. If I see you, oh, hang on. So, oh, there you go. So, how do I do this? How do I do this? Right, hang on. Oh, I see. I know what I've got to do. I got to change myself. Do I? Here we go. Oh, for some reason I haven't got that account. Okay, I won't be able to do it now. I'll do it later. Ignore what I just said there. I'll do it later. I can't. I don't think so. Hang on. I'm trying to see you. I can't see you. All right, I'll do it another time. I'm having some difficulty. Right, I'm always having some difficulty, really. Okay, let me come back to here. We're just new back on TikTok for a short period. We'll work on it. We'll work on it. Right. Okay. Tesla earnings. Thank you, John Lauro. Okay. Yes, it's me. 1 second. I can't comment. You can't comment. Can everyone comment? Can everyone comment? Let me just make this mute. Look, settings. Allow comments. Yes, allow comments. You can. Mute duration, entire live. Filter comments. On. Block keywords. Show the most sent comment. Now you should be able to. Stop wasting my bloody time. Right. Sensei's a moderator. Ed Nevius is a moderator. Mike Flynn, you are a moderator. Here you are, match. Oh, turn commenting on or off, manage keywords. There you go, your comment was turned off. Try it now, Mike. Try it now, Mike. Your commenting was turned off. That's bloody weird. Right, let's see if... Right, Mike, try it now. Try it now. See if you can comment now. You should be able to. I've just, for some reason, your comments were turned off. Why? Did you annoy me? Did you do something wrong? 8 minutes to go. Let's have a little look. Right, comment now. Mike, say something. For God's sake, say something. You keep liking, just comment. It's not too hard. Bloody hell, Mike. Can anybody comment on TikTok? Where's the settings? Is there any more settings? It says filter comments. No. It should be working. It won't let me. I don't know. I'll work on it for tomorrow. I can't comment. I'm not a fan of TikTok. That's it. I can't stand TikTok. Don't bloody use it then. Right? I didn't ask you to bloody use it. Well, I did, didn't I? Can anyone comment? Christian has now got the top gifter badge. There you go. Right, we've got 5 minutes to go. Sensei, we're taking over Tesla earnings in a minute. Say something, Mike. Yeah. Get to the chopper. It won't let me. What say you, Mr. Lucas? If it's a good earnings report for Tesla, how far will it moon and will it potentially put in the bottom for Tesla? What if it's a good earnings? It won't be a good earnings for Tesla. So, I mean, how can I say what if? I don't believe it will be a good earnings. Troubleshooting tech issues is for after the show. No, it's not, Liam. You've got to do it during the show. You're not even a member, Liam. You're not a member. You can't tell us how to run the show. You got to at least be a member. Just went onto TikTok. It's paused. No, it's not. No, it's not paused. It's absolutely bloody fine. Look, see? TikTok is fine. Chris Rainbow, look, there's people in there now saying stuff, doing stuff, giving flowers. It's paused for you, maybe, because maybe you've been banned from my channel. Banned, I tell you. But yeah, it's working for everybody else. Chris Rain is the #1 gifter. He's given more flowers than anyone. There you go. All right, just saying. Right then, let's get ready to close the bell. Ring the bell? Yeah, ring the bell. Ring the bell is better than close the bell, isn't it? Liam, don't worry about it. You're on sub-only mode. Am I? Subscriber-only mode. Okay. How do I change that then? Subscription. Oh, I see. Thank you. I fixed it. Right, try it now. Try it now. Can everyone comment now? I had it in subscriber only mode. Mike, back on TikTok. Can anybody comment on TikTok? There we go. We got 2 minutes before the bell goes. I've got to ring the bell. We got to do day trader of the day. Can anyone now put a comment? Now it's okay. Oh my God. By the way, I'm Danny Rothschild. There you, Danny. You asked me to come back on TikTok. Now I am. Now it's going to go mental now. Now we've allowed comments. Mike, can you try it? Tomorrow, Grippy. When in Paris, Hilton's flying to space. When is Paris Hilton? Tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, you cheeky sod. Oh, he's trying to wind me up now. He's trying to wind me up. Yes, Mike Flynn. See, Mike Flynn's a moderator. And the London Duck. The London Duck is a moderator as well. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Now that everyone's gone bloody berserk now, look, they're going, oh, well, we can talk now. We can talk. We can get his attention now. Right, well, you can bloody... I am commenting. I can see you're commenting, Mike. I can see you're loving it. I can see you're loving it. Right, so I'll let you moderate. So, Mike, you're in charge of moderating the extra channel, the main channel, and TikTok at the same time. So I would suggest you don't mess around with any snakes tonight. You're going to be busy. Tesla and Enphase Energy at the same time, 2 earnings at the same time, 63 different channels at the same time, and your job is to get it right without deleting the comments from MSK. So I expect good things. I expect good things. The accumulated total will be super chatted. The accumulated total, what's that mean? I have spoken with my lawyers, my wife basically, and it has been agreed that when I come on a live call, there needs to be a swear jar. And every time I swear, it will cost £2. Brilliant. Phone in now. Swear as much as you like. Just pick up the phone in as much as you like. Every time I swear, do you pay me as well? All right? Message deleted by Mike. Look, Mike's gone mental. Mike's gone mental. Mike is deleting MSK now. He's gone mental. He said, sorry, I don't care anymore. You'll be broke, MSK. Yeah, he will. I'll make him swear. Don't worry. It's more for sure. So be it. So be it. Great. I'll swear as much as I want now then. If I'm going to get paid to swear, then I'll do it. I don't care. If I'm going to get paid to swear, I'll swear all the time. See, that could be like an OnlyFans account. I don't run around naked, but I get paid to swear. How about that? I loved every minute of it. No, Mike is not deleting my comments. He is. He's doing it over and over again. He's gone power crazy. Right, we're about to ring the bell. Ready? Day trader of the day. The bell is about to go. Earnings for Tesla is about to appear. It's going to get very exciting very, very quickly. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone. You can sponsor the bell for $20. Let's have a look. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Are you up? Are you down? Let's do day trader of the day. I'm $107,235. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm loving it like that. So, down 0.15%. Day trader of the day for members on YouTube only. Everybody else, You can't play, right? You can't play. Let's see how we do. Virgin Galactic going down to about 20 cents a share now. Old money. I'm joking. It's about 30 cents. Palantir, gold, up. The S&P is down, trying to push up. Amazon is up but pulling back. Apple is up but pulling back. Next year, energy. In the morning, we'll cover the earnings. Enphase Energy going down. Coca-Cola up today. Great earnings. Bottom line, top line, guidance, great. J&J trimming a little bit. Good time to buy more. Chevron going down. Tesla. Let's expect a miss on earnings. Down she goes. No surprise there at all. The earnings is not out yet. Earnings has been going down consistently and will go down again. I've got no doubt about it. Rivian is going up. McDonald's is up. No, it's not. It's going down. We're selling off before the bell. Google. They are reporting earnings as well. We'll be looking for Google. What have they done? Nothing available yet. I'm hoping for a beat with Google. Right. Who wins tonight? Brian Bynum is down 0.41, down 0.46. Am I going to win again? 0.15. Am I going to win again? What if Tesla earnings is better than feared? What if? It doesn't matter if even if it beats, it will be trimmed off because it's overpriced. Sensei will explain all of this on his charts. You watch. Still waiting for Tesla webcast link. Can't see it on their page. Sensei, we went through this last time. It only is available half an hour before the event. All right? You did this last time to me. You got me very stressed out. I was like, I can't cope with this. The drama and the stress levels from Sensei Crypto is is terrible. Right, it looks like, again, I beat the market again and beat everybody again. So there we go. Let me click the cheer for me. Yes, give myself a thank you. Well done, Martin. You win again. Well, only 3 people took part. There you go. Smash the like button. Well done. What if was a skiff? We'll all go float a boat. What the bloody hell's going on here? I'm confused. Let's have a party. We're having a party. Bloody hell, I'm all dizzy now. I can't cope with this. The craziness of life. You live and then you die. Bloody great. Who worked that out? Who came up with that idea? Rubbish. Rubbish idea, really. Right, I win again. Okay, now then. Now it's time for showtime. Sensei is taking care of business. Let me do this. So here is Sensei's show. You've got the link. It's in the chat. It's on the homepage of the channel. Tesla earnings. This show is now going to take you to the extra channel. So you can all gather in the extra channel. This is the extra channel. Everyone join me here. I've given you the link. The link's at the top. Come and join me, and then we'll give you the link directly back to Tesla when it starts. That way you can keep up to date with everybody when the announcement comes in. Very, 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 very important. Then you've got on the extra channel, we'll switch to the Enphase Energy earnings. How about that? You know what? We need a third channel. We need 3 channels. It's not enough running 2. We need 3. Rubbish is good. Rubbish is good. What time is a Tesla earnings? Any moment now, and we're covering it any moment now. So Sensei is on standby. Let me now prepare my earnings. Robin Hood. Let me do Robin Hood. And I want ENPH, Enphase Energy. Oh, Enphase Energy. There you go. Look at that. Enphase Energy. Boom, 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 boom. Now, this is what this one always does. It's this is what it does. It pops up and sells straight back off again. Enphase Energy is up 9%, 10%, 10%. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let me do that, duplicate that, and give you the extra chart. Let me open up this one and duplicate again. Take me back to here. This is where I'll find the link. Look at that, rocking and rolling. Microsoft is flying up. All the markets are turning green. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm loving it like that. Tesla is taking a dive exactly as predicted. Enphase, what did I say? Enphase is undervalued and Tesla is overvalued. There is your Tesla doing exactly what I said again, and there's Enphase again. I love it. I love it. All right. Okay. Enphase flying up, flying up. Let me get the link up. Sensei is getting ready. He's about to crank up the show for you. So this goes live at, in fact, I need to get there now. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Let me submit that. Mute that. Mute. All right, we don't want any nonsense like that. There is the Enphase Energy earnings. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to end the show right now, and I'm going to take everybody now to the extra channel. The link is here in the chat. Everybody, whatever you want to watch, whether you want to watch Enphase or Tesla, join me here on the extra. It's pinned to the top. Click there. I'm going to end the show. From the extra channel, I will give you the link for Sensei, who will be covering back here on this channel for Tesla, and I'll be covering Enphase here on the extra channel. Okay. So let me go and end this stream right now. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Join me for a great night. It's going to be a historic night. We've got loads and loads and loads and loads and loads. I can say loads and loads, a lot more times, and it still won't be enough to give you a great night. Best YouTube channels in the world. No one else does it like this. Nobody else wants to do it like this. All right, I'll see you back in a minute. Yes, Tesla's going down, overbought, overexpensive, no surprise. Enphase is going up, undervalued. What can I say? Hate to say I told you so. Anyway, see you now on the extra channel. Take care of yourselves and each other.